welcome back to our English class. Today's date is 22/12/2020 and the date is Tuesday. As you all know, on Tuesday we have our English class. So today we are going to again do a grammar topic. In our previous class we had seen what are action words. Do you remember what are action words called? Yes, action words are called verbs, and we saw how we are going to convert verb into past tense. Didn't we see that? Yes. Today we are going to take few examples of past tense sentences and let's see what are we going to do with it. For example, for the first example, let's take I ate an apple. What it is? I ate an apple. Now from this, you will tell me which is the verb, means which is the action word. Which is it? Can anybody tell me? Yes, it is ate. Ate means we are eating, no? So it is ate. Ate is the word verb. Yes? So now when I read the sentence, I ate an apple. What do I come to know from this? What do I come to know from this? Yes, I come to know that I have eaten an apple in past tense. That means this sentence is into past tense. Simple past tense. It is into simple past tense. As I told you all, past means what? What does past means? Things which have happened. They are already over. So from the word I ate an apple, from the word ate, we come to know that the apple has been eaten. Into the sentence. From this sentence, we come to know that the action is complete. It is being completed in past tense. Yes. Now I am going to give you all one more example. Let's see. Come on, read the sentence with me. I was eating an apple. What does this sentence tell us? That I was eating an apple means that this sentence is also into past tense. But from this, can you tell me which is the verb? Which is the action verb? Yes, it is eating, isn't it? Eating is an action, so it is verb. Now, from this word eating, what do we come to know? Yes, we come to know that the sentence is into a past tense, but we don't know if the action is complete or no. From this word ate, we come to know that the action is complete, but eating, we don't know have we finished eating or we were still eating. So, this verb tells us if the sentence is into past progressive tense. The sentence is into past progressive tense. Means we don't know if the action is complete or no. So from this sentence, I was eating an apple, we know that the action is not complete. So was. From this word, we come to know that the action is not complete. So this sentence is into past progressive tense. Was. The word was is very important to find out if the sentence is into past tense or the sentence is into past progressive tense. So the topic for today is past progressive tense. Now let's take the next example and see if the sentence is into the past tense or past progressive tense and how are we going to find out the difference. Now let's take one example and see if the sentence is into past tense or it is into past progressive tense and how are we going to identify. Yes, the sentence says they were going to a beach. They were going to a beach. From this, first we will identify which is the verb. Verb means action word. Which is the action verb? Yes, it is going. Now we have to find out if the sentence is into simple past tense or if the sentence is into past progressive tense. For this, we are going to see a word prior to the verb. The word says were. They were. From this word were, we know that the action is not complete. The sentence is they were going to a beach, but we don't know have they reached to the beach. Did they really go to the beach? So the action is not complete. So from this word were, we come to know that this sentence is into past progressive tense. Now let's take the next example and let's see if you all can identify if it is into past tense or if it is into past progressive tense. Let me tell you all, past progressive tense is also called past continuous tense. Yes? So let's identify. I was writing an essay. This is the sentence. Now from this, which is the verb? Which is the action word? It is writing. This is the action word. Yes? Now, for finding out if it is into a simple past tense or if it is into a past progressive tense, as I told you, we have to see a word prior to the verb. The word is was. Now, it says I was writing an essay. I know that I was writing an essay, but we don't know if the essay was complete. Did I write it or no? I was writing an essay. So when we are not sure that the action is complete, the sentence is said to be into past progressive tense. When we don't know if the action is complete or no, if the sentence is into past progressive tense. So this word was is very important for us to see and tell that the sentence is into past progressive tense. Here we had the word were. Here we have the word was. These words tell us that the sentence is into past progressive tense. Yes. Let's take one more example now. I will write it over here. Now, the sentence says, we were drawing a cat. What does the sentence say? We were drawing a cat. From this, first we will find out which is the verb, which is the action word. The action word is drawing. Yes? Now we have to find out if the sentence is into past tense, simple past tense or past progressive tense. For this, we will see a word prior to the verb. Now again we have the word were. As I told you, this word is very important for us to know if the sentence is into past tense or if the sentence is into past progressive tense. They were drawing a cat. So in this sentence, we don't know if the drawing part is complete or no. That means we don't know the action is complete or no. So the sentence is into past progressive tense. Yes. Now I have showed you how we are going to identify the sentence which is into past progressive tense and which sentence is into past simple tense. Now let's take one quick activity and let's see if you all can identify the sentences. Let's do this exercise together. It says identify whether simple past or past progressive tense. From these sentences, we have to identify which sentence is past progressive in past progressive tense or which sentence is into simple past tense. So let's start with the first one. The first one says they wrote the example. They wrote an example. Now from this, you all tell me if the sentence is into simple past tense or past progressive tense. How we will know? We will see the verb first. Which is the verb? The verb is wrote. The verb is wrote. Yes? So, to find out if it is into past progressive tense, what did I tell you all? We have to see the word prior to the verb. They wrote. There is no was or were over here. So, we know that they wrote an example. Means the action is complete. They have finished writing an example. So, this sentence is into simple past tense. So, the first sentence they wrote an example is into simple past tense. That means the action is complete. Now, let's move to the second one. The second one says she was jumping on the bed. Now, from this sentence, which is the verb? Which is the action word? Yes, it is jumping. This word is an action word because jumping is a action word. Yes. Now to find out if the sentence is into past progressive tense, we see the word prior to the verb. The word says was. She was jumping on the bed. We know that the sentence is into past tense. That she was jumping. But from this word was, we come to know that the action is not complete. Yes. So the sentence is into past progressive tense. Yes. So from the word was, this word is very important to know if the sentence is into simple past tense or into past progressive tense. Let's move to the third one. The third one says they were talking loudly. What does it say? They were talking loudly. First, we will underline the verb from the sentence. The verb is talking because talking is an action. Yes? Now, we will see the word prior to the verb. It is were. What it is? Were. From this word were, we come to know that the action was not complete. That the action was not complete. When the action is not complete, what do we write? Is it into simple past tense or is it into past progressive tense? Yes, you all are right. It is into past progressive tense. Yes. Now let's take the fourth example. It says I saw an aeroplane. What does it say? I saw an aeroplane. Is this the which is the verb from the sentence now? Yes, saw. Saw is the verb. Now to find out if it is into past tense or into past progressive tense, we see the word prior to the verb. It is I. We don't have was or were with it. So from this we know I saw an aeroplane is into past, simple past tense. That means the action is complete. I have completed seeing an aeroplane. So when the action is complete, the sentence is into simple past tense. Okay. Let's take the last example for the day. You were waiting for me. Now, which is the action word from this? Which is the verb? Yes, waiting is the verb from this sentence. Now, to find out if it is into past tense or past progressive tense, we again see the word prior to the verb. identify if it is into simple past tense or if it is into past progressive tense. Can anybody tell me what it is? Yes, you all are right. It is into past progressive tense. Past progressive tense means we don't know if the action is complete or no. That is why this sentence, we were waiting for me, you were waiting for me, is into past progressive tense. Yes? Now my children, hope you all have understood the difference between simple past tense and past progressive tense. I am going to give you a very small exercise from your textbook to complete. You all are going to complete it very neatly and send me a clear picture of it. Now we will meet in our